Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you have an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be trying this product, Carol's Daughter's Wash Day Delights. This actually was sent to me by Influencer. I'm going to be reviewing this product for you guys today. Also, I'm going to show you the clip where I used it on my hair. And this is the reason why I decided not to wear wig for this, because I think it's not practical if I'm wearing wig for this particular video. Alright, pardon my hair, it might not be in a perfect shape. I didn't know other way to style it this morning. I just wanted to get this done because I have to move on to something else. Alright guys, so if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. You all can see now where I am unboxing it, what I have in there. In the box I have what is called Wash Day Delight, Carol's Daughter Love at First Wash Water to Shampoo with rose water. One thing I like about these products, when it has an applicator right here, that's where you're going to dispense it, and it came with a seal. You have to remove the seal before you can dispense it, of course. So my first impression about this product when I put it on my hair, like, it foams easily, but if your hair is super dirty like mine, I would say I didn't wash my hair until, like, when I washed it was 2 weeks after, so it was dirty because it has accumulated a lot of, I need to slow down, because it has accumulated a lot of products, so it was dirty, so it didn't form at first, and that makes sense. I guess that's the thing with all other products. So I decided to go another more round. I did that off the camera, but it foams a lot, so I showed you guys while I did that, and I let you see how foaming it was. So this product is no sulfates. All right, I'm going to quickly read what we have in this product for you guys so as not to bore you out. It's gentle yet thorough cleanse, act like a magnet, attract, lift and build up, no stripping, which is for real. I have a very dry hair. Like, whenever I wash my hair, like, it get dry easily. So this product is targeted to when you have dry hair. This will really work for you. And as I continue to look onto what they have in there, they say it's not 98% naturally derived ingredients. That's what they use to produce this. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors, vegan formula, no animal derived ingredients. And as we move on, it says water to foam formula, easy application, which I already show you. Liquid formula instantly flows through hair to reach the scalp. Effortless lather, and it's true. Transform into a gentle foam, lather without harsh frictions, which is true. Fast rinse, quickly rinse, cleanse, so there is no added weight from residue left behind. All right, hair feel moisturize and easily detangle even before conditioning. Yes, those things I read to you, I experienced them when I wash my hair. You all know I'm going to tell you how it is, and this is how far I've gone. And also I went ahead and used it on my wig, and I will show you the picture before what the wig looked like, and after I used it to wash my wig. So after I washed my hair with the shampoo, I went ahead and used the conditioner, which is also in the same one. Is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. When you first put this on your hair, you feel like you have a styling gel, but it's gonna go transform from that jelly feeling to cream, and it detangles your hair really fast. It makes it so soft and so easy to manage. Like, I woke up this morning, my hair was still, of course, after I finished with the conditioning, I went ahead and applied my own other product I use at home just to moisturize my hair. Like I said, my hair gets really super dry. So when I woke up this morning, my hair still feels so good. So I just went ahead and put it to the side just to, you know, talk about this product. Is with rose water. It has no paraben, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. Also, this one has Of course, no artificial colors, like I said before. And what does naturally derived means? They just kind of summarize it that we consider an ingredient to be naturally derived if it is unchanged from its natural state or has undergone process, yes, still retains greater 50% of its molecular structure from its original natural source. So 98% of what they use to produce the product, they are naturally derived. And I can actually tell you, when I put this on, I like the way it feels. It detangles my hair pretty fast, and also it goes from jelly like to foam and to jelly like to cream. That's what I meant to say, and I really like it. If you have very dry hair, I would recommend that you try these two products. Try it. It works. Like, I really love it, and you all know, if I don't, I will tell you, regardless of how I got it. Either they sent it or I bought it, I will let you know. I'm telling you now, if you have dry hair, give this a try. I love it, and yes, that's all I can say about it. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.